Alice Go. After getting dismissed as the mayor of Bamban, Tarlac, Go is now facing tax evasion charges from the Bureau of Internal Revenue. Here's the report.
Bureau of Internal Revenue Commissioner Romeo Lumagi Jr. went to the Department of Justice yesterday to file tax evasion charges against Alice Go. This happened 2 days after Ombudsman dismissed her from government service. Based on the complaint, Go admitted that she sold her shares in Bauful Land Development Corporation to tycoon Jack Uy. BIR eventually discovered that Go did not pay 500,000 pesos in capital gains tax and documentary stamp tax returns.
Una-una, consummated na yan, kasi dapat bago pa yan, nung nagkaroon ng transaksyon, nung nagkapirmahan yan, at nung bago ilipat yung shares doon sa bagong bumili ng shares na yan, ay dapat bayad na yung buwis.
Aside from Go, BIR also named Uy and Baufus Corporate Secretary Rachel Joan Malonzo Carrion in their tax evasion complaint.
Mabigat din ang parusa laban doon sa corporate secretary na hindi tiningnan na bayad ang buwis kasi nasa batas yan na bago ka mag-transfer ng shares sa corporate books at saka sa pag-report sa SEC ay dapat makita muna na bayad ang buwis. So itong corporate secretary may pananagutan din dahil kasi tinransfer niya yung shares sa libro at sa base sa records ng SEC na hindi bayad ang buwis.
If found guilty, Go and others will pay fines and face prison time. It is up to the court how long the accused will spend time in jail. This is Go's second criminal complaint. She is also facing trafficking complaint due to her alleged ties with the raided Pogo in Bamban. Go is still hiding from authorities and the public. In an interview with The Big Story, her lawyer Stephen David said he is still convincing Go to come forward and face the authorities.
I was always persuading her to present herself before this proper forum kasi I regret kasi na she cannot even present her side. Kasi if you will not appear before this tribunal, parang ang hirap magdepensa. So sayang naman kasi ako I believe in the merits of her defense.
For News 5, Camille Samonte, We Are One News.
Mahaba ang laban na tatahakin ito ni dismissed Mayor Alice Go.
Pero i-appeal naman ata eh.
I-appeal. Kaya ang problema kasi hindi nga siya nagpapakita. And when you do yung mga appeal, yung mga whatever it is that you need to do, kailangan ng mga pirma niya din dahil siya yung accused.
Saka when they asked si attorney ni Alice
Attorney
Go,
Stephen.
former Mayor Go, sinasabi niya, I'd like to believe she's still here. I think she is still here and I was guaranteed that she is still here. Pero he admits naman na physically hindi pa niya nakikita.
Hindi pa nakikita.
So in other words, he's banking on the word of Alice Go na nandito pa siya.
Kaya sabi niya, sayang yung pagkakataon na ma-defend mo yung sarili mo. Like for example, sinasabi nga niya na yung issue ng birth certificate. Diba? Pwede natin yun may defend kasi dapat mas mauna yun eh. Kasi kung halimbawa mapatunayan, let's say for example, hypothetically, mali pala yung ebidensya nila against Alice Go, di ma-dismiss lahat yung kaso na yan, yung mga kowanto. Kasi ang basic foundation ng case nila ay hindi siya Filipino. So kaya sinasabi niya, dapat mas mauna muna yung desisyon ng korte doon sa birth certificate niya. At saka natin puntahan yung mga ibang mga kaso niya.
Sabi nga nila, ika nga, di ba, the saying goes, with flight is an ambition of guilt, di ba? So parang tumatakbo ka, may tinatago ka. Oo, it's better that she comes out and proves herself. Ang dami nang tatago. Sorry nabalik na naman ako kay ang dami nang tatago.
Kaya sabi nila sana all, di ba? Yung sa Philippine Star, sabi nila yung editorial doon sana all. Kasi ang bilis nga ng mga kaso na naihain dito, nakakapag-desisyon na yung iba. Sa iba, di ba? Parang walang nangyayari. Minsan nakakalimutan pa.
Paano naman yung nangyari yung nahuli ng pandemic na nagnakaw ng delata? Di ba? Mabilis kaso niya. After 2 days, na-detain na kaagad. Di ba? Pero yung iba, nagtatago pa rin.
Yes.
Tago-tago.